I am really stoked with these Foxgloves this year. Gosh, they have performed super well. Certainly could not have asked for better plants. They're super healthy and great diverse range of colour. There's more over here. This white one's been really out for ages and it's just growing so well. And a lot of people have asked me what the trick is. And the trick is to getting them in early enough. These were quite early, I think March. We had the seedlings in, I potted them on into tubes. And then in May, so they were planted into 175mm pots. Now, these ones were planted in June. You can see into their bigger size, and they are definitely a little ways behind the stock in the ground, but they have performed really well. These ones are just as happy and just as healthy, so we'll definitely be growing them in pots. So you might be asking me, what's the trick with the ones in the ground? Well, they are still in pots. We didn't put them into the ground directly. They're all in pots, and my goodness, it's made such a difference. They're having their roots constricted. They do need watering every day, in which I do, but that's just a part of gardening. I love it. I love being in my garden every single day, so why would I do anything else? So yes, they are in pots. I will probably look at next year when we convert all of the irrigation over to drippers, to putting them onto a separate drip zone so that I can have them all on drippers, and that would make my life very, very much more easier and less water use and waste and all those sort of things. But yes, definitely next year we'll be planting a whole bunch more of these, and we'll probably see if we can collect seed off of these ones, because I'm really happy with how they've performed. And if they don't set seed, we'll grab some seed or some seedlings, little sets next year. But yes, definitely the trick to growing them is getting them in early. We put up the seedlings in March, April, and then we put them into the 175s in May and June. The ones in May are flowering. We'll probably pull everything 2 weeks earlier for next year, because they have only just started flowering and look really stunning sort of the days after Carnival's finished. So we'll definitely have these probably 2 weeks to a month earlier into the garden. So if you do want to grow beautiful foxgloves next year, look out for our list. It's really important, the timing of things. So it might seem weird to be planting things, but definitely you want to get these in super duper early, so you have beautiful, healthy, full plants and wonderful, wonderful blooms.